So we've all been here, standard out of the box Salesforce. It goes straight to the related tab with different related objects, but maybe our team wants to see this details tab first. So let's talk about the fastest way and quickest way to do this. What we can do is we can edit the order of these tabs as well as the default tab under the Lightning record page. And the shortcut to get there is how you would normally go to the setup up here on the top right, but instead of going to setup, I want to actually go to edit page. And so by hitting edit page, I will go to the Lightning record page as you see here. And we have all of these components. And so here, if I click in, I can see the different tabs. I'm now under the tab component. And here is where I could reorder, for example, put the details at the top, and then go ahead and default it to details. So just like that, I am able to default this as the details tab. I'm going to hit save and make sure that this is assigned and active. And now as I go back to the record page under the contact, you'll notice that it's going straight to the details tab. And so again, if I come back into any contact here, it's going to default to the details tab, and I've also updated the order of those tabs. So this helps you customize it. You may have different Visualforce components, different packages that have different Visualforce components on different tabs. A lot of teams do like the detail tabs first, and so you want to make sure that you do update on the Lightning record pages. Let me know if you have any other questions, and stay tuned for more tutorials. Thanks.